In this question, we have to find the radius and center of the given sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z equal to 11. So, this is the given equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z minus 11 equal to 0. Since we know that this is the general equation of a sphere, so the general equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So compare equation 1 and 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. Here we can see in the equation second coefficient of x is 2u, and in equation first coefficient of x is minus 2. So 2u is equal to minus 2. Similarly, in the second equation coefficient of y is 2v. In the first equation coefficient of y is 4. So 2v is equal to 4. Similarly, coefficient of z in equation second is 2w, and coefficient of z in equation 1 is minus 6. So 2w is equal to minus 6 here. And the constant term is d in second equation, and constant term in the equation 1 is minus 11. So from here we find u is equal to minus 1, v is equal to 2, and w is equal to minus 3. We know that if the general equation of a sphere is given, then center of a sphere is minus u minus v minus w. So we put here value of u, v, w, we get the center of the given sphere 1, that is putting u is equal to minus 1, we get here 1, v is equal to 2, we get minus 2, and w is equal to minus 3, so we get 3. So the center of the given sphere 1 is 1, minus 2, and 3. Now we find the radius of the sphere. So r is equal to the radius of the sphere, which is equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Now we put value of u, v, w, d and simplify and get the radius of the given sphere 1. So value of u is minus 1 here, and value of v is 2 here, and value of w is minus 3, and d is here minus 11. So this can be taken minus 1 square, this is plus 1, 2 square, this is 4, minus 3 square, this is 9, and this minus multiply, we get 11. So 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 24, 1, 25. So we get the square root of 25, that is 5. So the radius of the given sphere is 5 unit, and the center of the given sphere is 1, minus 2, 3. Thank you.